What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this week my sister Amanda and her two friends Lauren and Nikki, they came down and visited us in Florida, and we had a crazy week. That's all I can say. But the next few videos I'm going to be coming out with on YouTube, they're going to be when they came down and visited. The video I'm going to be sharing with y'all today is when I went wakeboarding out on the boat, and they were all there, and I promised them that they would see dolphins, but I just did not know it was going to be when I was wakeboarding. So you just got to see for yourself. So I'm about to go wakeboarding. So excited!
In 5 foot of water.
In 5 feet of water.
How tall are you, Kelly?
I'm 5'11".
Better not fall.
Yep. Looks like fun. I'm so excited. Actually, can you hold my hand?
I will, but I don't think I can get a high-pitched tone up. Oh my God, a dolphin! A dolphin! Oh my God, a dolphin! Is that good enough?
So right after they pulled that joke on me, I hopped right back in the boat. I was like, okay, like, even the dolphins, they can't really hurt you. Like, I'm not about to, like, go wakeboarding with one. So I hopped right back in the boat, and then this happened.
Are you sure you're not? No, I swear, I just saw the, it jump and the fin.
There it is! There it is! Holy shit, Holly! It was right behind you. I'm not kidding. Straight right here.
Where?
Right, look just this way.
Right ahead of us. There's 2 of them.
Oh, I see him.
Where? Where? Over there.
Right over there.
Holy shit, there was one behind them.
Amanda, you knew.
Holly, I really was just kidding.
You were kidding, but then you were serious now. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yeah, don't get in the water at dinner time, Holly.
Yeah.
Look at it. See all the fish?
Look
They're
at
trying
it.
to jump out of the way.
Lauren, you want to go? Oh my God, we're swimming with dolphins. Oh my God, it's coming towards us. We're literally in the water.
Wow. That's okay.
Oh my God! So we just hopped in the water trying to go see the dolphins, and we got super close. We were chasing them in the water.
Today, we were on the case of the elusive bottlenose dolphin. A beautiful little Sheila.
I'm thinking so much.